Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. And you don't know, bless up on yourself. From in your device, you know, say that video will be epic. So just tune in. Yo, what that a trend? Oh, the trendy Danchall. People who are supposed to already know say dancehall artists right now a job dub plate for each politician right now. So we are kick it off. Shenseea job one.
Isa, no boy can't say you ever beg him under your style that put your call to him out, you will flop that.
Also, the wild side government, Jahvillani job one.
Hey, Nigel Clark with the smoke eye trees, Fuchs funny tool with the float like breeze.
Not to mention Stylo J have also done one.
Bunting out and stunting, Kyle them tick like dumb.
Not to mention Alkaline. Out of everybody, as a pre guys, and I mean that in a bad way, but him just want to hear him I say.
I mean, I say a man himself I represent for the Mayor Kingston and St. Andrew. One and only Delroy Williams.
So, with that said, guys, after all of the artists them sets and release one, right? Vybz Kartel take it to social media. You see me, cause the dog feel upset, basically, you see me, so him come to forward to social media and say, yo, dancehall, parent politics, now artists doing dub for them, SMH, must stop the conscious music, but yeah, conscious song music anyway, it work, but a big on lyrics, cause when beyond learning TPC, you see me. So that was the DJ remarks after everything take place, you see me. So in the comment down below, tell me what you think about that, basically, you see me. But differently, you don't know, me I go tell you now where me feel. But what me think about it, you see me, basically, and my knowledge. So first and foremost, them money really and truly, him not own dancehall like that to make them out there. You see me? Yeah, and differently, again, me I feel like say, if I realize that most of the young set of artists them will rock the place right now. Jahvillani, all daddy one do one, you know, and I feel no way no true me no drop it tonight. Daddy one drop one. Shenseea, Stylo J, Dovey Magnum, man himself. You see me? And so far, etc. It look like it a go up. You see me? And to my knowledge, him just want to make things look bad upon them. You see, pray. Yeah, that me say. And that a gone. You see me, people, so far who now really see the pray, him just paint that picture there. You see me, because government, you can't go around the government first and foremost. So when you make it look so, like the government, them own politics. You see me? Well, one thing coming. And another thing now, me knowing myself that you in a situation, enough people they are jail still in here, you see me? It's not a good thing to spend your life jail, you see me? But watch a deep prayer. Alright, so remember now, this is music, entertainment, you see me? Gun bag and badness and them someday can't mix with music. For everybody we already know that and who don't know that. You see me? So when he must say Ray and Tay and no politics and the money them a do it for, you see pray and look on this you know. Him in a situation where him done film career staying up, him there jail although him a work on it. But not really bash no man. But you see it? I beat down no man. You see me? But watch you pray. Him just want try set that look out, stigmatize. Him just want to stigmatize the people in mind. For them feel like say certain people not good. You see me? Because politicians come from way beyond some of them people who new in anything in it. You see me? Differently. And fame career done staying up in a sense where him want people staying up for them. You see me? So if you don't follow him make you feel like say politician and them people they are evil, and when I say some of them no, when I say all of them good but them are human just like we. Is it or some of we family all come from out they get to same way reach in other position the same way, you see me? But as I say still them man there, if you follow them man there, it make you do the wrong set of thing like what them do from man. Remember them man they broke out freakiness, bring them thing there and them explicit thing there first. You know? So don't know your style that. So you know better than nobody if you make certain speech. Remember that. You see me, and another thing, like what me I say, them money, if you follow them money, it make you spoil your career. You see me? Can't go around government in a year chronic class, government badness and wholeness. So for any dispute, when you do comment down below, you don't know the style go. You see me? So at the end of the video, this guys, please consider subscribing. If you're new, share. You don't know, to a friend or a family, no matter. Out there.